Sudden cardiac arrests happen without prior symptoms. They can strike whoever, whenever. May it be an athlete, a businessman, or a simple bystander.
In the Philippines, it accounts for 20% of all deaths, according to a recent Department of Health statistics.
When someone suddenly drops to the floor due to a cardiac arrest, most people would just freeze and not know what to do. If lucky, someone might call for an ambulance or a paramedic. But even then, it would take at least minutes for help to arrive.
Every minute that passes diminishes the chance of survival. And most likely, by the time the ambulance arrives, it is already too late.
Studies have shown that victims of sudden cardiac arrest can only survive when cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR is applied within 10 minutes. And even then, they probably would have some form of nerve damage if not done within 5 minutes. However, not everyone is capable of performing CPR. Zoll, an international medical corporation, has come up with AED, or the automatic external defibrillator, to help during these kinds of situations.
Shock advice. Don't touch patient. Press
So, shock advice. So, I have to press this button. Shock delivered and continue CPR. So, this is our technology here. Remember the bar? The bar that I told you? Push harder because it's not 2 inches. So, I have to push a bit more.
An AED is short for automated external defibrillator. It's a device that helps save a patient of sudden cardiac arrest in the eventuality na may mangyaring sudden cardiac arrest. Everybody can use this AED. As long as you have the willingness to save a person's life and you know how to follow the instructions, you can use it.
Unlike most AEDs, the Zoll AED is a portable defibrillator that comes with pads attached to the chest of the patient. It gives verbal prompts to the person performing CPR to signal whether or not the compressions are deep and fast enough to reach the required 100 to 120 compressions per minute of a good CPR. It also administers shock to the patient when necessary.
It's not just a shock box. It's different from other AEDs because it helps you see your compressions. It knows how deep and how fast you are doing the compressions, and it will help you save the patient life 3 times more than the usual CPR and AEDs in the market.
This is the only brand in the market that can do interactive feedback mechanism. So other brands in the market will tell you they also have feedback, but that's not actually feedback, but that's just coaching. Because they don't really care what you're doing. If you're doing 100 to 120 compressions per minute, they're just telling you push fast and push hard. So this one, actually the metronome that you hear adjusts basically to what you are doing. If you're going too fast, the metronome, the one that you hear will go actually very slowly to be in that range of 100 to 120 compressions.
Sudden cardiac arrests can happen to anyone. It can be some stranger in the street. It could be one of your loved ones. It can even be you. What will happen if there is no paramedic nearby? Will help get to you within 10 minutes?
AED should be in public. That's why it's called sometimes public access defibrillators, because the chances of having a sudden cardiac arrest usually occurs in places where there's a lot of traffic, like malls, airports, gyms, for that matter. Yeah.
Zoll AEDs are now available in Visayas and Mindanao through their distributor, Leean Medical and Surgical Supply. For inquiries on the Zoll AED or possible CPR training sessions with the AED, you may visit the Zoll website at www.zoll.com or visit Leean Medical and Surgical Supply in their office at Neville Hills, Cebu City.